100% hazelnut tart. This video will be short as I am assembling this tart using elements I've already shared on the channel. You will find the links to each component in the description and throughout the video. This is a 100% hazelnut tart because every single component carries a hazelnut flavor. Start with a fully baked hazelnut tart shell. Brush it with an egg wash to keep it crisp. This one is 3.5 cm tall, about 1.4 inches, which makes it a hybrid between a classic tart and a mousse cake. Spread a thin layer of hazelnut gianduja. I've slightly melted mine to achieve a smooth, spreadable consistency. On top, place a double layer of the hazelnut sponge and the hazelnut crunch. These inserts come from the orange and hazelnut mousse cake preparation. It's practical to make an extra inserts and store them in the freezer. Next time you will save a significant amount of prep time. Now fill the tart with the chocolate and hazelnut mousse and place it in the fridge to stabilize for around 3 to 4 hours. For the final decoration, use a white chocolate and Frangelico namelaka. It adds a refined hazelnut note and balances the richness of the tart. I've frozen mine in a ring shape, unmold and place it on top. Optionally, you can glaze this element with a clear glaze. In previous video featuring the white forest entremet, I shared French syrup recipe, which can be used here in two ways. First, bring this syrup to a boil, add the hazelnut, return to a boil, then remove and spread them onto a silicone mat. Bake at 165 degrees Celsius or around 330 degrees Fahrenheit, fan-forced oven for 15 minutes, until the nuts are dry. This method gives you glossy, non-sticky hazelnuts, while still enhancing their flavor. Using the same syrup, now infused with a hazelnut flavor and still warm, add the gelatin mass. See the full proportions in the recipe. Blend with a stick blender and cool to 30 degrees Celsius or 86 degrees Fahrenheit. Pour over the frozen elements to create a clean, shiny finish. This approach is efficient, one recipe used in two ways. I will cover dedicated neutral glaze in future tutorials, but this method works well for home use and requires only gelatin, not pectin. Finish decoration with the hazelnuts for added texture and a clean, natural look. It's never too much hazelnuts. Hazelnut is a flavor from my childhood. I remember going into the nearby forest, collecting wild hazelnuts, then cracking them open with a rock to get to the nut inside. That's why I often return to this flavor in my creations. That said, you can easily substitute hazelnuts with any nut you prefer. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite nut.